again to our Accounting 101 tutorial, and hopefully at the end of this video, we will know why do we have to prepare the different financial statements na nabanggit ko at ano ang gamit nito para sa ating mga future creditors, mga present creditors, ating mga partners, and of course, sa may-ari ng isang negosyo. Sa araw na ito, pag-aaralan natin ang mga nabanggit kong mga financial statements. Isa-isahin nating pag-aralan or isa-isahin nating himay-himayin ang mga iba't ibang uri or klase ng mga financial statement na nabanggit ko previously. So magsimula tayo sa balance sheet. So what is balance sheet? Balance sheet is a financial statement which shows the financial position of an enterprise of a particular date. It consists of 3 sections, which are the assets, liabilities, and owner's equity sections. The balance sheets measures and evaluate in terms of the enterprise liquidity, solvency, financial structures, and capacity for adaptations. Liquidity is the stability of the enterprise to meet currently maturing obligation, while solvency is the ability of the cash over the longer term to meet maturing obligations. Financial structures is the source of financing for assets of the enterprise. It indicates how much is borrowed capital and how much is equity capital. Capacity for adaptation is the financial flexibility of the enterprise to use the available cash for the unexpected requirements and investment opportunities. As the picture shown, the example of the balance sheets, it summarizes that balance sheets answers the following questions. Number 1, how much the business owns, referring to our assets. Pangalawa, how much the business obligations, which is referring to liabilities, kung magkano ang mga utang ng kampanya. Pangatlo, how much is left for the business, which is referring to the owner's equity. In the balance sheet presented, the business tells us that of the 995,150 assets its own, 133,000 represents the claim of the creditors, while the balance of 862,150 represents the claim of the owner over the assets of the business. Next, income statement. Income statement is the financial statement which shows the performance of the enterprise for a given period of time. The performance of the enterprise is primarily measured in terms of the level of income earned by the enterprise through effective and efficient utilization of its resources. This income performance used to be known as the results of operation of the enterprise, consisting of revenues, expenses, and operating results, which would either be profit or loss. So the relationship among the three can be expressed in the following. Revenue less expenses equals profit or loss. The example shows that the income statement answers the following questions. Does the business make profit? Or does the business incur a loss? Or does the business make no profit and incur no loss? But in our example, it shows that the business makes profit of 22,150. So when we say the business makes profit, if the total income earned exceeds total expenses incurred. But if the total expenses incurred exceed total income earned, then the business incurs a loss. And now let's proceed to a statement of changes in owner's equity. A statement of changes in owner's equity is a financial statement that summarizes the changes in equity for a given period of time. The beginning equity of the owner is increased by the additional investment and profit. Correspondingly, it is decreased by withdrawal and loss. So, as the example shown, the statement of changes in owner's equity answers the following questions. What causes the increase of owner's equity of the specific establishment or business? So looking at the statement of changes in equity presented, we say that the beginning equity of the owner in the amount of 850 has increased to 862,150 as a result of its operation. In an event wherein an owner's withdrawal exceeds the net operating income of the business, there is a net decrease in owner's equity, hence the ending owner's equity will also be decreased. And that's it guys, diyan na muna tayo magtatapos sa ating pag-aaral ngayong araw na ito. And for my next video, pag-aaralan natin ang elements of financial statements and account titles used. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.